Assalamu alaikum friends. My name is Hafiz Muhammad Sultan, and today we will continue the letters of Maddah and letters of Leen exercise. So before the starting, I want to teach you one important thing, that is uh, two types of mud. Okay, so for now we only focus on one type of mud. The type of mud is called Madde Muttasil. Okay, so what is it and what's the definition of it? So the definition of this mad is, if there is a hamza, if there is a hamza after the letters of madda. Okay, if there is a hamza after the letters of madda, any letters of madda, alif madda, waw madda, ya madda, you instantly see the hamza in the same word. So the we can make five alif mad. Okay, it sets that mad up to five alif. Okay, and this mad is called mad muttasil. Now we start reading from the second line. So the first word is jim alif fatha ja. It's a normal alif mad. Okay, but if you focus on this, after that there is an instant hamza in the same word, hamza fatha a. So now for the hamza we can stretch the alif madda up to five alif. So previously we can stretch it ja, but now we can stretch it up to five alif. Ja. Okay, I hope you guys understand this well. So now continue to the next one. Next one, in the same situation, we can combine jim with ya. Jim ya kasra ji. Okay, jim ya kasra ji. It's a normal ya madda. We can stretch it up to one alif. Jim ya kasra ji. But after that, you can see there is a instantly hamza, and hamza have fatha. So the situation I already told you guys, that if there is a hamza after the letters of madda, so we can stretch the letters of madda up to five alif. So in this case, we again stretch it up to five alif. G A. Okay. Now the third one. Come to the third one. It's a normal G wow dhamma ju, and the ain kasratain ain ju in. Next one, kha wow fatha khaw. It's a wow lean, and then fa kasratain fin khawfin. Next one, kha ya fatha khay ra damatain run, ra damatain run khayrun. Okay, next one, dal alif fatha da, wow dhamma vu, and then dal dhamma du, da vu du. Okay, so we can again read the complete line without spelling. The first one is ja. The second one is ji a. The third one is ju'in. Fourth one is khawfin. Fifth one is khayrun. The sixth one is davudu. So this is the second line of the exercise of letters of mother, letters of name. I hope you guys understand this well. If you have any queries or any questions, you can directly ask me in the comment. Inshallah, I will reply you as soon as possible. Okay, Allah Hafiz.